In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the inventory in your Shopify store effectively. This is a crucial skill for any online store owner, ensuring that your business operates smoothly and that customers always have access to available products. We'll walk through the steps on the Shopify platform, making sure you have a clear understanding by the end of this tutorial. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify account and from the main dashboard, locate and click on My Store. This takes you right to the homepage of your Shopify store's admin area, where you can access all the necessary controls and settings. It's important to be familiar with this area as it's the central hub of your store management tasks. Next, find the Products tab in the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the Products page where you can view all the items listed in your store. This area is essential as it helps you monitor what you have for sale, what's in demand, and which products you might need to restock soon. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see an option labeled Inventory. Click on this and you'll be directed to a detailed page showing your store's current inventory levels. You'll see information related to each product variant, including details such as current quantities available, those committed to orders, and those that are incoming. Understanding these fields is crucial for effective inventory management, as you can quickly see which products are running low and which have excess stock. Now, let's talk about editing quantities. First, look for the available quantity column. Whenever you receive new stock, or if there's an error that needs adjusting, you can update the number of available units. This simple step can help prevent overselling a product you don't have in stock, keeping your customers satisfied and your store's operations seamless. Subsequently, pay attention to the unavailable section. If certain products are out of stock, updating this field is critical. Keeping this information accurate helps in forecasting inventory needs and communicating stockouts to customers so they're not left in the dark. Additionally, it enables you to plan restocks effectively and manage customer expectations by updating your store listings or notifying interested customers when an item will be back in stock. To wrap things up, maintaining an accurate inventory on Shopify is all about regular checks and updates. By following these steps, you'll ensure your inventory is always up to date, which leads to smoother operations, happier customers, and potentially more sales. Remember, keep track of both your available and unavailable items and adjust your stock levels as needed. That's essential for staying on top of your store's logistics and providing a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching this guide on managing your inventory in your Shopify store. I hope you found it helpful and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy selling!